Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video we will discuss how you can change your user ID from your X account. Actually when you create an X account, it automatically fetches the first part of your email ID as the user ID, or perhaps for some reason you want to change your user ID. You can do that using this method. Let's start the video and go through the process step by step. I am on my mobile screen here and I have opened the X app. Tap on the profile icon showing in the top left corner. Below you will see the option for setting and support. Tap on it. Now here you have the option for setting and privacy. Tap on it. As soon as you tap, the setting screen appears. Tap on the option your account. After that you will see the option for account information. Tap on it. Now you can see the option for username. Tap on it. Here you can tap on the username option and assign a new name. I change it to a new name, and at the right bottom you will see the option for done. Tap on it. Tapping on it, it will change the username. This way you can change your username for your X account. If you want to change your password, tap on setting and privacy again. Then tap on the option your account. Now you will see the option change your password. Tap on it. Here enter your current password and below enter the new password along with confirming it. Beneath you will see the update password button. Tap on it. Tapping on it will change the password for your account. I hope you found this video helpful. So please like the video, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. This way you will get notification for the next video. Thanks.